Hello, now let me guide you through our very efficient and modular code. Here, we'll start by importing the T library to add some graphics as such, which upon clicking the button, such window pops up, and then we can proceed. This welcomes us to our project, and the next window which opens up is the option of either logging in as an admin or to register as a student. This allows us for authorized access and better management. Thereon, we have the start of the code. This is test case one, which allows us to create, read, update, or delete. It's showing that the student record has been successfully created. Earlier, the student records had this in its table in SQL. Now, I would like to show that it gets updated in real time. See, now there are 5 records instead of just 4. Moving on, we'll exit from this program. Other functions too can be performed. Like if we are to drop a student record, that is delete, we'll just enter choice 4, then enter roll number 19, and student not found is showing up. Now, if we select, we'll see that here too, instead of 5 records which were present earlier, now only 4 records are available. Next, we'll exit this part of the code and move on to our next test case, which is to create a course record, read, update, or delete the same. It works quite similar to the student record, and here I would just like to uh, read a course record for you. Enter a course name. Here we'll see the details of the code. Similarly, the exam course record table works, and the tables in SQL of both the function classes are as follows. Here, this is the course record, which allows us to enter whatever course by specifying the branch, and which can then be classified according to the branch. Assign a particular course we can assign courses to a student, and it will show the results as follows. For example, I had specified that my course is ECAI. So from the table course ECAI, we'll be able to fetch all the course names that will be assigned to a particular student from a particular branch. For ECAI, we'll have the options to either assign it as midterm or enter, and these tables will be created, which will consist of course code, course name, exam type, marks, and maximum marks, and the date on which the exam is to be conducted. Now, moving on to our next test case, which was to create a scorecard. Now, here I would like to create exam scorecard table, and to read it, we just have to call the ID. We just have to enter the scorecard ID, and there I will put 1, and it will display the result of the student with all the exams. Now, I do not wish to edit this scorecard, so I will move further and exit this function. Now, from there on, I will just choose option 1, and the results will be displayed as such. Similarly, exam scores individually too can be displayed. Output would come, which would tell the average marks and the average percentage too. This data is being taken from this table over here, which is allowing us to input the marks of a particular course. For example, we have chosen the subject CS, and here marks of different students is displayed, and hence we are able to find the average marks efficiently. Now, moving on to a last part of the code, which allows us to display the overall result. I would like to exit the window, and then we can find out the total number of students, which for according to this database is just 3 over here. You can from the table you can see the table final scores will tell us how many students enrolled and what are the average marks obtained.